I've said it once, but I'll say it again. This thing runs amazingly. That was a true cold start. It is, well, I think it's about 20 degrees in here again. So pretty chilly day out. I'm fully dressed, Carhartt coveralls and jacket. So we're gonna take this thing outside and we're gonna push some brush piles, maybe even run into some frozen dirt piles. Just make sure both clutch systems are working properly before we send this off to our customer. We'll just let this warm up and we'll be getting out to it. So for some reason the machine won't move forward or backward. The only thing I can think of is that old shifter boot was probably leaking water, and maybe there's something frozen. So I'm gonna give it a little bit longer to try to warm up and see if that gives us any better results. In the meantime, I'm gonna try to check the transmission fluid level to see if that's low, and that could be a reason why it's not working. All right, so I actually had to get my excavator and pull and push on this dozer to get it to free up. The transmission most certainly must have water in it, probably from that shifter boot. Things seem to be iced up. I had the torpedo heater blowing on the back of it, so that helped warmed it up. I had the machine idling, so that helped warmed it up, but it took the pulling force of the excavator to actually free this up. So I'll get the excavator out of the way and we'll take this machine outside. right, so I brought her back in the shop here. The steering clutch on this side, both steering clutches are working fine. I think the brake band on that side was too tight, so I just backed off the bolt a few turns, and I did double check this side here. There's no heat, there's no smoke. That side's pretty hot, there's some smoke coming out of it. So we backed off that top bolt a couple turns, and it looks like it's freed up a decent amount. So at this time, we're gonna have to take another test burn with this. It is dark out, so I don't know if the camera footage is actually gonna show, but I'll try to run it around a little bit more and see if it's good. If that's good, then this machine's fully good and ready to go, and we'll be on to the next project. Well, this video was mainly just to show you guys that all the work that we did on that International 500C didn't go to waste. We just tested the dirt pile, and like I said, I apologize if you can't see, but even into that hard pile, bolt tracks are spinning. It works fine in all 3 gears now, so the brakes are not holding up. The blade's nice and tight. There's really minimal slop, and overall it's a great running machine. So thanks again for watching. I know this is just a quick little video, but I just wanted to show you guys that all the work we did on here didn't go to waste, and it's a good running machine ready to work now. If you could do me a favor, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button so you get notified whenever I post any more videos. It really help out the channel, and I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.